Assalamu alaikum and welcome to mathematics class for standard 7th, chapter 15 Visualizing the Solid Shapes, part 2. Students, what you are going to learn in this video? From this video you will be able to understand the textual solution of exercise 15.3 and 15.4. So let us begin. Exercise 15.3, question number 1. What cross section do you get when you give a vertical cut and a horizontal cut to the following solids? A brick, a round apple, a die, a circular pipe and an ice cream cone. So students, now I'm going to show you the images of these things which we are going to cut. We are going to cut it vertically. Vertically means from up to down. Horizontal cut means from left to right, or you may say from right to left, anyway. Okay, so you cut when horizontally, that is from left to right. That is called horizontal cut. So what is vertical cut? When you cut something from up to down, that is called a vertical cut. Now let us see. Here the first figure is of a brick. So here the figure of a brick is drawn. You could see here. So vertical cut from up to down is done as we cut with the cake. So when we cut the cake, we are cutting it vertically. So the cross section is like this. And when we cut it like this, from left to right or from right to left, okay, that is called a horizontal cut. Understood, where the partition up and down has been done. Okay, students. Okay, so now let us move to the next figure. That is an apple, a round apple. This is a round apple figure. So vertical cut, that means from up to down. So the two pieces will be like this. The cross section is like this. And horizontal cut means from left to right, suppose. Or you may say from right to left, then like this. So the cut is like this. So the cross section will look like this. Understood, student? Now let us move ahead. This is a die. A die, the thing which I have drawn just now for you. In the last video I showed you how the die is done, right? So this is a die, a dice, that means. So a vertical cut, that means from up to down. So here it has been a vertical cut here, and when you cut it from left to right or right to left, this will be a horizontal cut. Now this is a circular pipe, and when the pipe is standing and you give up to down cut, so it will look like this. And when the pipe is standing or it is vertically made stand, then left to right or right to left will give the cross section like this. Now let us move ahead. This is an ice cream cone. So when ice cream cone is cut up to down, that is vertical cut. So cross section will look like this. But if it is given a horizontal cut, then the cross sections will look like this. Okay, students? Now let us move on to the next exercise, that is 15.4. A bulb is kept burning just right above the following solids. Name the shapes of the shadow obtained in each case. Attempt to give a rough sketch of the shadow. Okay, so you may try to experiment first and then answer these questions. So no need to do the experiments. I'm going to show it to you with the help of figures, with the help of some of the sketches. Let's move ahead. This is the first figure, that is a ball. And when the bulb is blown over the ball, the shadow of the ball will fall down. And this is the shadow of the ball. Could you see this? So how the shadow looks like, that we have to answer. The shape of the shadow obtained from a ball is what? Is a circle. All these 3D figures will give the shadow of 2D. Just remember this thing very well. So the down shadow is a circle. Understood? So very earlier when we started with this chapter, I showed you some of the 2D figures, right? That was circle, rectangle, square, correct? That are 2D shapes which are drawn on the paper. Very thin, right? They are thin, they don't have height. that things are called as 2D. So that kind of shape you are going to get as a shadow. When any 3D object is casting a shadow, it will definitely give you what? A 2D shape. Now let us move ahead. This is another figure, that is a cylindrical pipe, that is a cylinder, and when bulb is blown over the pipe casts a shadow, and this shadow looks like how? This is the length and this short is the breadth. So what do you think what it is? Correct, it is a rectangle. The shape of the shadow obtained from a cylindrical pipe is actually a rectangle. Okay, now let us move to the third question, that is a book. So this is a book, and over that a bulb is glown. So when a bulb glows on the book is definitely going to cast a shadow down. Now this is also what? See, this is the length and this is the breadth. So what shadow is looking like? Circle, square, rectangle? What? Correct, rectangle. So the shape of the shadow obtained from a book is a rectangle. Now let us move ahead. Students, now let us see that how the things are having three views in them. Now what are three views? Any 3D object could be observed from three different angles. When you are going to watch from top, it is called top view. When you are going to watch it from the front side, then it will be called as front view. And if you are going to see it from any other left or right side, then that is called the side view. Top view, front view, side view. Okay students, so let us start watching that how the things look like. Students, here I have one rectangular eraser. You could see its domes, right? This is exactly looking like this figure. Now when I am going to watch it from top, if you are going to see, it is actually giving only a 2D shape, that is a rectangle. That means of only three box, that is this view, right? Or you may say this view. Okay, you may name any of it, top view or top view, like that. Okay students, and when you are going to, suppose I write top view here, this is top view. Now when I'm going to see it from this side, that is left or right side, it is just one box. Could you see this? It is, you have to just draw only this side, what it looks like. Only one box could be seen. So only one box is here. So which side this is? If this was top, left and right is always called as what, students? It is called as side view. So this is side view. And this is actually this top, this side, and we are going to watch it from this side now. Again, it will be having only three boxes. See, 1, 2 and 3. So this three boxes actually which side? It is front side, right? So we are going to write it here, front side. Okay students, now look here. You have another figure. When you watch it only from this side, so front side could be seen only this one, the three box here and above one box, only this could be seen from front side. So among these shapes drawn here, which one is front side? 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? So this, we are going to write it here, front side. Now when you're going to watch it from this side, so the shaded region already darken here. See, one above the other, only two boxes will be seen. Among which side from which side? Left and right side. So here it is marked. So which side it is? It's a side view. You could see two boxes here. So we will write side view. And when you're going to watch it from top, this will be observed, this will be observed, and this will be observed. 1, 2, 3 box will be seen from top. So this three boxes are seen here. So this is top view.
understood student how to watch it. So if such kind of figures are given to you and it has been asked to you that draw the top view, side view, front view, then it is very easy for you to draw it, right? So be ready for such kind of questions. Another two things are homework for you. Okay students, so both these questions are homework for you.
Thank you students for watching the video. I hope you have understood all the exercise of this chapter very well. I hope you have understood all the concept of this chapter 15, visualizing the solid shape, very clearly. It's a very short chapter and it is very easy to understand. Go through each and every figure of your textbook. Okay, keep practicing, do it well in your examination. Thank you and have a nice day ahead. Goodbye.